We're at the Florida RV Super Show, and we're going to take a look at the inTech Blackwing. Check this trailer out, guys. This thing is awesome. Hey guys, I'm Kevin, and this is Camp Outside, where your inside source for all things outside. One of the things that I absolutely love and would be seriously looking at if I was looking for a trailer would be these Blackwings by inTech. Let me turn the camera around and show you this thing. This is a serious, hardcore overlanding trailer that gives you everything that you're gonna want, maybe nothing you don't want. This thing is cool. Check it out. All right, guys, so this is a tandem axle trailer with off-road tires. It sits on an aluminum frame. It's all aluminum, and I love that. I love that for its lightweight, and then also just it's not gonna rust, right? So I love aluminum frame trailers. And then look at this giant V, right? This giant V is awesome because it uses the storage space so well. So on the bottom down here, we have dual propane tanks, right? So very good use of the storage there. And then right here, guys, take a look at this pass-through. This is huge in there. Very, very big. Tons of space. If you wanted to add solar and batteries, you know, using that back wall there to, you know, mount Victron components or stuff like that would be pretty slick. You know, but tons of space there. And then as I walk around the front of the trailer, you can see you've got, you know, power lift jack. And then down on this side is the generator. All right, so it's got an onboard generator, which is sweet. So, you know, obviously a big enough generator to run the whole coach. Definitely the way to go there. So let's go ahead and take a look down the back side here. You can see your power and water in, as well as your tank drains and that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and head into the trailer. So we make our way in here. Nice big steps. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the galley. And so nice big sink, good storage underneath. Have a 2 burner range. I don't even know how to open that. There we go. And then let's see, what is this? Looks like another basin for storage or something. And then nice overhead storage. All right. And then you got the microwave and a nice big refrigerator. The head is right in the front. So we'll go ahead and take a look in there. So it is a wet head, right? With toilet and then shower, a little vent up there, you know, but not too small. Could be a little bit bigger for me, but I always like a bigger head than what most people put in. Then check out all of this storage along the side of the trailer, right? And so this is a toy hauler. So it's got a ramp door, and then you've got these big bench seats that come down, right? And you could make those into beds, comfortable places to sit, nice wide open. It's very bright in here. Emergency exit windows. It's got a desk that folds up, right? And then over here, you have your furnace there and a TV. And then of course you've got a bed on a lift, right? So that bed can come down in place. So you can run bunk beds, basically, you know, top and bottom, or, you know, you can use whatever you want. And then it's got this giant open space with the gate for the ramp to give you a patio. So lots more space. Really, really cool trailer. If I was in the market for a trailer, I would want something like this because I just love the wide open space. Plenty of space to put gear in here or a toy that you're going to be hauling around, but plenty of living space when you get to where you're going. Just an unbelievable trailer. Here's a look at the ramp and gate system from outside the trailer. So you can see just really, really nice setup. Gives tons of space, right? Really, really cool trailer. Now, last year when I was here, I saw one of these that looked the exact same way, but instead of the lift bed, they had a pop-out bed that popped out on one of the sides. And I'm going to turn around here so you can see it on another inTech model that they had, but they had one of those. So I don't know if that's still an option, but if it is, I really like that option. I love having a tent end on a trailer because I still like the sleeping outside, hearing the sounds of nature, that kind of thing. So I like to have that option. So I don't know if inTech still offers that on the Blackwing, but if they do, then you can consider that as well. So guys, if you are looking for a travel trailer that's ready for adventure, maybe even ready for some off-roading and that kind of stuff, or you want a toy hauler with tons of space on an aluminum frame, something like the Blackwing is definitely something that I would consider. I look at them every year and I kind of drool at them, and it kind of inspired me to do certain things with my cargo camper, just because I like them so much. And of course, you know, you can add solar to the roof and that kind of thing and make this truly, truly a rig suitable for boondocking. I'm Kevin and this is Camp Outside, where your inside source for all things outside. Stay tuned.